All right, so we are here at CES 2026. A little unexpectedly, I didn't think that we were going to be at the show this year, but I'm glad we're here because there is something that ASUS has at their booth that I think is going to be very interesting for a lot of you. So check this guy out. This is the update to the CM30. It looks a lot like the CM30, but it's a little bit bigger, 12-inch display this time around. It's actually got a better Corning Gorilla Glass covering on it, but it's got the MediaTek Companion 540, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, Wi-Fi 7, but that updated MediaTek Companion 540 in here, so we should get a lot better performance than the last generation of this. ASUS says that they have made some moves on the keyboard, and that thing does feel really, really good. Trackpad feels very nice as well, but there's some cool stuff around the back here I want to show you. Namely, this right here. Now, while this doesn't look quite as nice as the pen spot on something like the Lenovo Chromebook Duet, what it's holding here is a rechargeable stylus. So yep, you drop that on there, it's actually going to charge, and that case is going to hold it in place. And so you've obviously got the kickstand portion here that is detachable, just like it always is, and then the nice smooth silver back here. As of right now, ASUS does not have a price and availability yet on this, so we're guessing probably Q2. But man, this screen looks really good. 1200 or 600 nits, I'm sorry, and a full 12-inch display. So this is going to be a really nice upgrade. They've got some different cases as well. So we've got some white keyboard and back cases, but we also have kind of an education-focused one with this nice bumper. They're saying it's an impact shield. But yeah, there's some options here for the CM32 detachable Chromebook. I did not expect to see this thing here. I'm very excited that it is here. You're talking great battery life, improved performance, great looking screen, awesome looking case. Yeah, this is going to be a nice package, assuming ASUS prices it right. But as soon as we know more about it, guys, we'll let you know.